Hey guys, so I'm here to review the Microsoft Bluetooth mouse. I have the color Pastel Blue. The shipping was pretty fast from Amazon. It came in pretty good condition, as you can see. So let's unbox this. I should have grabbed my scissors, and we're gonna get it off. Okay. So it came with the manual. This is what it came with, right? So obviously, like, instructions and stuff like that. Different languages. Same thing here. Okay, here it is. That's how it looks like. Brand new. It's beautiful. So this mouse fits comfortably in my hand, as you can see. It does have that clicking sound. It's not a silent mouse. You can easily turn it on and off with this switch here, right? Like that, right? And then the battery right here. That's how it looks like. Let's put this back. So I prefer using these because they last longer and they are pretty much easier to use. This Bluetooth mouse does not require a USB transceiver, and it connects to your device via Bluetooth. If you plan on getting this mouse, they do have this in different colors like matte black, they have peach, they have mint, and then obviously the pastel blue.